Ever feel like your kitchen cabinets are a game of Tetris you're constantly losing?
Oh,
Pots and
absolutely.
pans tumbling out every time you open the door.
Totally. It's like a booby trap waiting to spring.
Yeah, so I came across this cookware set that claims to save up to 70% of storage space. It's called
Seriously?
the SENSARTE 17-piece set.
70%? That's huge. How does it manage that?
Well, it's got these detachable handles so you can stack the pots and pans neatly, without the
Oh,
handles getting
interesting.
in the way.
That's clever. But are the handles, sturdy enough? I'd be worried about them coming loose.
Actually, they can support up to 22 pounds. They've
Wow.
been professionally tested, so they're pretty reliable.
Well, that's reassuring. What's included in the set?
Oh, it's quite comprehensive. You get a 1.5 QT and a 2.8 QT saucepan, an 8-inch and a 10-inch frying pan, a 4 QT saute pan, a 10-inch grill pan, 2 removable handles, glass lids, pot protectors, and fridge storage lids.
That's a lot.
Pretty much everything you need.
Fridge storage lids? So you can cook and then store leftovers in the same pan?
Exactly. Less
That's
dishes
super
to wash
convenient.
and less clutter.
I'm all for fewer dishes. How's the nonstick performance, though? Some pans say they're nonstick, but don't deliver.
Right, but this set has a granite nonstick coating that's PFOA-free, lead, and cadmium-free, too. So it's healthier and
that's good.
requires less oil.
And it's smokeless, you said? That's a big plus.
Yep. So no
Nice.
setting off the smoke alarm while you're sautéing veggies.
Haha, that's happened more times than I'd like to admit.
Same here. And cleaning is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, and the coating is wear resistant.
Oh, excellent.
So no black residue even after multiple washes.
That's fantastic. I hate scrubbing pans.
Who doesn't? Plus,
Exactly.
it works on all stovetops, including induction.
Really? I have an induction cooktop, so that's perfect.
Yeah. The thick, flat bottom and high magnetic conductive base ensure quick and even heat distribution.
That's important. No one likes hot spots in their food.
Definitely. The design is smart. The vertical walls maximize capacity, and the flat bottom keeps oil from spreading out too thin.
So your food cooks evenly and efficiently.
Exactly. And the
Awesome.
pans are oven safe up to 480 degrees. Just remember to remove the handles.
Makes sense. Wouldn't want to melt the handles.
Haha, yeah, that would be a disaster.
Totally.
The detachable handle makes it versatile, from stovetop to oven to fridge.
That's really versatile. But do you think the handle might wear out over time with all the attaching and detaching?
Well, I suppose that's something to consider. Some users have mentioned concerns about long-term durability.
Yeah, I'd hate for the handle to fail while cooking. Safety first, right?
Absolutely. But overall, the feedback is positive. Most people find the handles secure and easy to use.
That's reassuring. And I like that it's eco-friendly too.
Oh, for sure. It contains at least 95% recycled materials, recognized by trusted certifications.
That's
good
impressive.
For the planet and all.
Nice. It's great when companies focus on sustainability.
Definitely. So, thinking about giving it a try?
Maybe.
It could really help with my kitchen clutter.
Same here. But do you think it's worth the investment?
Well, considering all you get, the versatility, space-saving design, and quality, I think it offers good value for the price.
Yeah, when you put it that way, it makes sense.
Plus, the convenience of less clutter is, priceless. Makes
Agreed.
cooking more enjoyable.
You're convincing me. I might just have to get myself this set.
Go for it. Can't
Will
wait to
do.
hear how it works out for you.